Gatagati ka andu 17 aria mongererekete namba-ini ya andu aria mari na murimu wa COVID-19 bururi-ini wa Rwanda, atatu maraumite bururi-ini wa Kenya, kenda Dubai, eri USA, umwe Qatar, umwe India, na ungi aragwatio murimu ucio kumana na kuhutania na mundu urari naguo. Thirikari ya Rwanda yugite andu aya othe matire hatikaini na no marathie na mbere gutangikirwo mari keheri-ini. Guku maya magithie na mbere bururi-ini wa South Africa ni makinyaniirie kuhinga mihango bururi-ini ucio kwa ihinda ria thiku 21 kwambiriria wakana kiumia giki.
The National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown for 21 days with effect from midnight on Thursday, the 26th of March. The nationwide lockdown is necessary to fundamentally disrupt the chain of transmission across society. I have accordingly directed the South African National Defence Force to be deployed to support the South African Police Service in ensuring that the measures we are announcing are implemented.
Motungata maduka cia wendia wa dawa, supermarket, inywero cia maguta, mathibitari, fegi na honge cia ugitiri na iria iheanaga motungata ma hinahi nocio iguthie na mbere na kuruta wira. Kwa ihinda riri bururi uyu uri na andu makiria ya 400 aria manyitetwo ni murimu uyu wa COVID-19 guku Kenya, namba ino ikirugamira 16 gukinyiria Jumatatu kiumia giki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.